guys, my name is Patricija Stalidzane and I'm a professional race car driver, and here's to what I think is going to be the future of sim racing. So obviously already a lot of drivers are using simulators to prepare for races in real life. I think that in future the younger generations which are upcoming as professional drivers now will not be able to participate without it, because there already are those so-called hybrid drivers. They need those simulators to prepare because they know it's a cheap opportunity to get testing and practice in for real car racing, which obviously makes sense. And not only for the drivers, also for the teams, maybe not already because the simulations are still quite different. Some of them are more realistic than others. But I think in the future, you'll be able to use simulators to practice on setups, which is obviously beneficial for the drivers, but also for maybe teams that are not as well financed as the big ones are at the moment. So obviously technology is moving fast. We don't know which direction it will take during the next years, but you can already see some attempts and also combining championships from real racing and simulation. I personally definitely think that that's going to happen in the future. There's already been some tries where they've raced in simulators against real cars on track. We'll see, but I'm curious to know and find out what's going to happen. So yeah, that's what I think. Let me know in the comments what your opinions are, and bye. See you next time.